Okay, so this video is just going to show you quickly how you can get into your live lessons or even watch a lesson that has been recorded and saved. So first way, or one of the easiest ways, is if you've had an invite to your lesson, it would appear in your calendar. So I'm going to click on my calendar here. Now you'll see that in each slot I've got quite a few meetings available there. That's just because I'm in lots of teams which are happening at the same time. You guys would only have one. And then this is my tester lesson that I've set up, okay, to show you. So I would click on that there and then click join. And what will happen is it will take me into the lesson with the rest of the students. You wouldn't need to use computer audio, where you do obviously need to listen. So I join that and it will take me into a room. Okay, so there's lesson one. Make it full screen. I can put my hand up here if I want to say something. The teacher may be able to let you come off mute. And if I show the conversation, then I can see the chat and I can type in my answers. Okay, so I can type in my answer here and that will come up on the chat for the teacher to see. Okay, so that's a nice easy way to get into your lessons. Now, on some occasions it may be that invites are getting missed or invites aren't quite getting through to you. So the second way is just by following your timetable. So today it's period 4 now. My lesson for period 4 is my example lesson. So I'm going to go down to my example team, which is near the bottom here. There's my example team. I'm going to click on that. You can see here, this is my example team. There's not a huge amount in it, but I've got my general channel, so there could be posts in there. And then I've got 2 other channels. There's a hidden channel, week beginning the 4th of Jan and week beginning the 11th of Jan. Okay, you can see here the little video camera. That means there's a live lesson happening right now. So I'm going to click on that. And you can see here, this brings me up to the post for that specific channel, and you can see the lesson is live. Okay, you can also see what's happened in that lesson, so you can see my answer has gone into the chat here. So I click join, and there we go, join the lesson just like we did last time. I am now in that lesson. Okay, you can see I'm muted, but if I wanted to, again, I can go to the chat. You'll see what's happened before and say I don't agree with that answer. Okay, so that's it, ready for you to use. The final way would be to look at a live recording of a lesson. So I'm going to show you that now. So here we are back at my sort of home page for my teams. Now again, I'd normally have my example lesson now. So as I head down, here's my example team. I'm going to go in there and you can see there's no live lesson today because it's not showing on the camera, so the lesson isn't happening live. But I do know it's week beginning 11th of January, so I'm going to click on that. If I go into the files section here, this is where you will find the work. So I've put 2 examples in there and they'll normally be dated. But I've got a subtraction of decimals half term 3 PowerPoint, so if I open that up, it will open in the screen and I can work through that PowerPoint at my own pace. So there's some starter questions there which I can work on. Okay, and as I want to, I can go through and look at the next page. It's showing me how I would do that, giving some examples and so on. So that's a PowerPoint, and that'd be one that I work at my own pace. And the second method is would be a video. So it could be a video of the PowerPoint. Now this one is just a video of using Office, which I've done recently. So again, I'm going to open up that video. Takes just a little bit of time to load. Click play. And then as I want to, I can pause that video. I can scroll that video back. I can move forward on that video to where I want to. Okay, so it's it's a good way for you guys to be learning because you can learn at your own pace on these ones. Okay, so those are the ways in which work is going to be set when you're at home. Thank you.